Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I'm on my way to the Journeymen right now. It's Thursday evening. These guys meet up on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'm just gonna pop in. I haven't been in years, and I think it would be a good space to show you guys. They work on classic BMWs and things, so I'll show you guys around. Hopefully you enjoy it. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this because the music's quite loud, but this is their engineering workshop. Such an epic space to have right next to your workshop. Triumph TR8. Never seen anything like this. Kind of cool, kind of not. Oh, look. Wow. I was not expecting this. Yeah, definitely was not expecting this. Oh, this is a cool build. I know there's some big cams in this one. So nice. What is this?
Ferrari 365.
Something along those lines. Oh, this is a big boy.
This is 1,300, so this is like basically our beautiful, fully loaded toolkit.
That's awesome.
1,300 individual pieces.
Just keeps coming.
Like non-stop.
I shudder to think what this costs.
Such a cool space. Hey guys, so I just changed the water bottle. It was bothering me too much. I have to show you this. So this is the bottle that came out. I'm embarrassed. It looks shocking. But yeah, I neglected it. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and a new water bottle, the best. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do now is I've got the heat gun out, and I've kind of started. I put the car in the shade, and I got myself a chair, and I know it's going to take a while, but you can't really see it. There's a slight variation over there, so I'm just gonna get busy. I know this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna try and document the process as best I can, and I'll let you guys know if it's worthwhile doing. But I think it's gonna look decent. Hopefully it doesn't take me like 4 hours, because I mean there's a lot of black trim on this car. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys soon. Just want to show you how it works. looks a bit streaky, but yeah, makes a difference. Okay, so I thought it would be easier if I just remove the bumper, so I'll be able to get into all the nooks and crannies. Yeah, this is going to be a lot easier. Not bad. So I did most of the car. This is like the last piece I need to do. I'm so over it. It takes so long. I have no idea how long this lasts. But I mean, it was a good experiment. So guys, this is my thoughts on having the trim redone with a heat gun. This is day 2 after doing all the trim. Day 2 after doing the trim, and it's definitely better. Would I recommend? If you have a heat gun and you have the time, I would. It definitely does bring some gloss into it. Like, I would need to use like some sort of trim polish or something just to get that gloss. I don't know how long it's gonna last. The arch trim was definitely glossier yesterday, so it does fade. How long it will last, I'll have to keep you guys in the loop, but for what it is, for my time, I guess it's okay. Hey guys, I'm off to Andrew. I'm going to fit bump stops to the wagon today because I cut most of them away, so the car bottoms out quite a bit. And then I'm going to do a service. I am like 500 kilometers overdue. I had a 2,000 kilometer notification like during lockdown, and because I switched the battery off, it just disappeared. So that's why I think I'm gonna pay like 500 over, and yeah, I'm gonna get that done today and try and do the fuel filter. So I haven't done a fuel filter on this car in a while, and there's a mist that seems to come every now and then. Don't know if it'll fix it, but I'm hoping it will. So yeah, looking forward to some hopefully good news today. It's always been a daunting task for me because I don't want to get any air in the system, but Andrew's been down this road before, so I've got some diesel and can hopefully fill up the filter, and we shouldn't have any air locks in the system. So this is the sad excuse of a bump stop that came out before. I thought this would do it, but nope. So this car is going in. So guys, I'm out with Andrew. with his Jazz. He just did a manual swap on it and he's taking me for a little spin. Yeah, VTEC kick in. VTEC is engaged. VTEC's gonna kick in, yo. I don't know what the kick, but at this power, like you can basically drive flat foot all the time and not go over the speed limit.
Exactly. That's what makes it so fun. Not breaking the law, you're just having a blast. Oh man, this guy's great fun, honestly. So just did what I was hoping was going to be an actual service, turned out just being a air filter and fuel filter service. So we saw a little nick under the sump. I'll insert the clip here, and that just really threw everything out. So I'm going to buy another sump and get that fit. I'm not looking forward to it. Like, that's one of the worst things that I want to do, is like a sump swap. Really don't enjoy that. So that's next. I thought, what's the point of actually draining out the oil and doing a oil filter service knowing that I have to pull the sump off. So yeah, that's next. I'm just going to take a little bit of silicone, because it really is a small nick. I'm just going to like patch it a little bit now, just so that it doesn't leak. That should hold it. Yeah, I think that's it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.